backyard snail farmer, you don't need sophisticated equipment to start snail farming. Packer, right? How much is packer? Need this. You'll be needing this as well. I'll show you how we are going to use this in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me, and if you are just finding this video, do well to hit the subscribe button. My name is Lawon Ajoke. I lead the team of Jocks Agro and More and the Calcium Hub, where we recycle snail shells to calcium supplements for snails and other livestock animals. By the time you are seeing this video, I would have dropped this beautiful load. So now is the best time for you to go to the comment section, celebrate God in my life, and wish us well. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can clean your snail pens properly with basic kitchen equipment that you don't have to break the bank to get, right? So this has been one reoccurring questions that I used to get from my students every time we have any of our trainings. Or they'll be like, Jocks, how do I clean my snail pen and all of that? So I'm going to make this video. This is an 100% practical video. I'll show you the step-by-step practical guide on how you can clean your snail pen. So stay right here with me and let's go to the farm. Welcome to the farm, guys. So like I said earlier, we are going to be learning how to properly clean our snail pens with basic equipment from your kitchen. So if you're a backyard snail farmer, you don't need sophisticated equipment to start snail farming, and even if you are going commercial, you can be getting all of this equipment in bits as you have the money. All right, so now I'm going to be showing you what we'll be using to clean our snail pens. So the first thing here is my disposable hand glove. So you need this to protect your fingers, just as a farmer now, you have to slay. So ensure that you get a hand glove, disposable glove, or the regular hand glove that you can reuse, just to to protect your fingers, protect your hand, and all of that. Then you need a packer, right? How much is packer? Maybe 800 naira or 1000 naira, you get a packer. Then you'll be needing your short broom, right? This helps with proper cleaning of the snail pens. Then you'll be needing a hand trowel. I don't have that here. We kind of misplaced the one we have, so I'm replacing my hand trowel with this plastic spoon. I'm going to show you how we are going to be using it. Then you need this. You'll be needing this as well. I'll show you how we are going to use it in this video, so just stick with me. And the last but not the least, you'll be needing a rake. All right, I'll show you how we are going to use this in this video. So the next thing now is to clean your snail pen. Now, cleaning the snail pen is a regular farming activity that has to be done at least 3 times in a week, at most 4 times or 5 times in a week. Ensure that you constantly clean your snail pens to avoid mortality. We are tilting towards the dry season now, right? So during the dry season, you need to be on your feet as a snail farmer so that you don't have mortality. And being on your feet means that you have to be cleaning your snail pens regularly. Snails don't like dirt, and when they feed on their own feces, right, it can lead to mortality for you. So as a snail farmer, ensure that, as a good snail farmer, let me put it that way, ensure that you constantly clean your snail pen. Snails don't like dirt at all. So you can do 1 day on, 1 day off. You clean today, you don't clean tomorrow. And do you understand? So that's just it. So these were their feeding trays for yesterday. We gave them snail feed and calcium, and they did a good job with the feeding. So we'll be moving the mulching materials out. Let's move the mulching materials to this space. that you can properly clean and see what you are cleaning. Exactly. See all these pieces. You have to clean them out. So what we are doing now is to move the snails to one space so that we can see what we want to clean, right? So move all the snails to one side. You clean the first side, then you move the snails back and clean the second side. Do you get? Yeah, snails here. So when you are cleaning, be careful. You know some of these snails would have laid their eggs inside the pen, so be careful so that you don't spoil the eggs. Then you use your packer at this junction to scrape it. So be careful when you are doing this so that you don't strip out all your soil. And then you gently use your hoe. So be careful as you are doing this so that you don't spoil the eggs in case they are blade. Just like what I was saying. So you have to be really careful when you are doing this. So we are just going to bring out this egg. We have damaged. I think we have damaged one. So please be careful. I think you can use the spoon for that part. We just maintain that consistency. Turn over the soil. So please be careful, our egg. So as soon as you are done with that side of the pen, you just move the snails to the part where you have cleaned, so that you can have opportunity to clean the other side. It's very easy to clean your snail pen thoroughly. It's very easy and simple. Be careful. I think I can see something. Just use this one. So the turning of the soil that we are doing like this can be done once in a week. This doesn't have to be an everyday thing, but sweeping of the pen should be an everyday activity. All right. So you sweep out the dirt, the feces every day. But you see the way she's turning the soil over. This can be done once in a week. So if you are using this method, it will also help you to pick your eggs, and if you have baby snails, it will help you to pick your baby snails as well. So I found this in the pen right now, so I'm sure we still have more. Look at what I'm talking about. So this is some of our baby snails. So if we don't do this, we won't see these baby snails, right? I hope we are learning. If you are enjoying the video, ensure you subscribe and share this video to your friends, intending snail farmers and snail farmers. So that's how to thoroughly clean your snail pens. Now the next thing we are going to do, I think we still have more baby snails. Right. Okay, good. So we are going to spread the snails, just to spread them a little, and then cover them back with the mulching materials. So we come back here in the evening to wet and also give them their feed. We are giving them feed or fruit or vegetable, whatever it is we are feeding them today. So this is how we do it. You turn your soil over once in a week. You clean the snail pen by sweeping it at least 3 or 4 times. I mean 5 times in a week. So you can see that the snail pen is looking really neat, and the snails would enjoy themselves better here. So that's how you are going to clean up your snail pen. If you have 20 of this, that is how you will do it though. So but just you pick a day. You don't have to do it every day. You don't have to do this procedure like you want to clean the whole pen in the farm at once. It's going to be very strenuous. So if it's 5 you want to do in a week, if it's 6 you want to do in a week, if it's 10 you want to do in a week, but just ensure that once in a week you turn over the soil, and 3 to 4 or 5 times in a week you sweep out their feces. Whatever they eat is what they will give back to you. If you give them watermelon, their feces is going to be red. If you give them feed and calcium, their feces is going to be white, like you saw in our video, right? So if you need any of our products, you need snails, you need snail feed, you need calcium, or you even need training to get started, either as a backyard snail farmer or a commercial snail farmer, do reach out to us on the contact on the screen, right? Or you check the comment section for my contacts, send us a message, we'll pick it up from there. We'll equip you with everything you need to start your own snail farm. So thank you for watching. Ensure you hit the subscribe button. My name once again is Lawon Ajoke. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.